What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So over here for the last few weeks we've been having the RCF in the garage beside the S2000. So you guys might notice that one car is missing, and that is my turbo Mitsubishi Lancer build. Usually that takes this spot. So if you guys don't know, it has been at the shop for the last few weeks. Let me explain. If you guys don't know why it's been at the shop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to work. So I'm going to go ahead and fire up the RCF, get it in nice cold start, and explain to you guys. RCF is my daily driver. Even though I don't show this car a whole lot, it's because I daily drive it to work every day, Monday through Friday. It's the workhorse. I love it. It's like I said, it's been a year of ownership. I drive it 40-50 miles a day, so quite a bit. Miles per gallon is what I call it. And in all honesty, for a V8 engine, I think it does pretty good for gas mileage. Again, if I'm looking for the best gas mileage, I'm not going to look for a V8, but I think for what it is, miles per gallon, I'm pretty happy. But she's a bunny. So pretty much with the Mitsubishi Lancer, it has been at the shop. So it's at a body shop, and the last vlog that you guys saw on it is a few weeks back. So what happened was we had the new Varis front bumper fitted on, and I haven't driven the car out, taken it out for months because I don't like the mismatched bumper. It's a white Varis bumper, the car is black. I just think it looked a little ghetto. So finally scheduled an appointment, bring it in for paint, brought it to my buddy's shop. They're trying to fit the bumper on nicely, get it painted, but on the way there, what happened was the car actually caught on fire. Could have been bad, but if you guys don't know what happened, make sure to click on the previous vlog from the Mitsubishi Lancer a few weeks back. I'll probably link it here. Mitsubishi Lancer caught on fire. Yeah, so what happened was, I really don't know. I haven't driven the car for like 6 months. It was a really hot day, 106 degrees outside. I don't know if it's a combination of hot weather, maybe some oil lines got loose, or I don't know, so yeah, small little fire. We put it out in time when we got to the body shop. So work's almost done. The plan is we'll be going by the body shop today, check it out, and then we'll be picking it up in a subsequent video. He said it should be ready tomorrow, so the plan is we'll be towing the car straight to another shop from the body shop, just to make sure everything's good, make sure there's no oil leaks or anything like that. I want the car to be running great. So yeah, a little update on it. Alright, so just got off work a little bit early. I'm gonna hit to my buddy Danny's shop, checking the Lancer. We'll be taking my daily driver, my Lexus RCF. Not too many of my car friends seen this car unless you go to car meets, and Danny hasn't actually seen the RCF in person, so I thought that would be pretty cool. So yeah, let's go head over there. It'll be a 1-hour drive. Alright, so still driving to the shop. I'm really excited to get my Mitsubishi Lancer back. Yeah, it's been at the shop now for a couple weeks, probably close to a month now. And obviously you guys know, a lot of you subscribers are fans of my Mitsubishi Lancer build. I've had that thing since brand new and stock, and yeah, you guys either love it for like the turbo build or the wide body or just all the cool rare parts on it. But yeah, I'm just itching to get it back soon. And just to show you guys, this is actually the path that we take. We had to take a couple of highways to get to the shop. We have to take the interstate highway, I-35. We have to take this highway. And I'm just glad that, yes, the car did catch on fire, but it could have been a lot worse. I could have been doing highway speed, and there's all that wind, and the fire just got big. It could have been a lot worse. So while I'm pretty upset, I'm just glad that we'll be able to fix it. So she's gonna look pretty. We're picking her up I think tomorrow, and then the plan is we'll be taking it to another shop, the long shop, to, you know, get it diagnosed, get it repaired, see what's going on, get it running perfect again. Just got over here to Danny's shop. I already see my Lancer. She's just right there, so let's check it out. So I just made it to the shop. Danny's actually not here, he left for the day, but let's check out the Lancer in there. And here she is, the Mitsubishi Lancer. So if you guys are wondering what's all the white stuff, is from fire extinguisher, because we put out the fire with the fire extinguisher, so it's just always spurting everywhere and white residue, so we definitely have to get it detailed. But for now, we have the bumper painted, should be ready for pickup soon, so let's check out the work. Alright, so here is the bracket for the bumper. Bumper's already been painted. So it's two-piece Varis bumper, carbon fiber lip, and the bumper itself, and then, well, I should say three-piece, because they also do come with this. I believe this is kind of like an under tray guard. Should protect the carbon fiber lip. So yeah, and I know with the meshing, came with the mesh, but it's not enough mesh to cover up all the holes, so Danny ordered more mesh, and I like it black, so we'll have everything sprayed black to match. Hot wear, yeah, everything will be on the car. Should be able to pick it up tomorrow. Yeah, so like I said, car definitely is a good cleaning down, but once it's done here at the body shop, we gotta send it off to get this checked out. Yeah, the fire was around here, so I'm guessing it's where the turbo sits. It could be turbo oil lines, I don't know. We'll just get a shot to check it out. I think it's a good idea to get it overhauled every, you know, year or so, just to make sure there's no leaks or anything, no boost leaks, oil leaks, coolant leaks. You guys can see residue on the hood from all that oil splatter. It's pretty bad, pretty bad. Engine bay looks messy, and again, like, this is my show build, so what that means is this thing's usually pristine. Just hurts me to see it like that, but yeah, we'll get it nice and clean. Hopefully all this residue comes off, because it's been a month. Hopefully it's not stuck on there. It seems like they left the instructions inside the car, because who understands Japanese instructions anyway? So yeah, just came to check on the progress of it. There'll be another video where I picked it up. Right now it's pretty filthy, but biggest thing is they got the bumper painted and they're gonna fit it on. Fitment was pretty good. Before that, it was a little bit off by the headlights on the passenger side. There's a pretty big gap. They got all of that taken care of. So yeah, pretty much it's just mounting everything. Thing they're waiting on is the mash grill that probably just came in today. They'll mount all the mash grills over here, all the little holes, and then should be good to go. Another car guy, Subaru STI here for some work, sitting on some Cosmos wheels. Socios STI, seems like no bumper on the front and rear. Maybe just getting a new bumper, aftermarket bumper maybe. So yeah, pretty excited. It's been a month. Pretty excited to get her back soon. Alright, still gonna leave right now. It's nice to come check out the Lancer. Also spoke to one of the guys here at the shop, really friendly guy, works here. So yeah, just gonna take the RCF. Like I said, it'll be a different day when we come pick it up, but we'll pick her up soon. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. All in all, if you guys stay to the end, leave a thumbs up. If you guys are excited for the Mitsubishi Lancers, come back, leave a thumbs up. Catch you guys in the next video.